If you're thinking about buying the Greenworks 3000 psi pressure washer, stop right there because this review is about to save you a ton of time and maybe a few headaches. I'll reveal everything you need to know, from the powerful motor to some unexpected quirks you won't find in the product description. But here's what surprised me the most. Despite the heavy marketing, there are some major issues that could throw a wrench in your cleaning plans. Contrary to popular belief, this isn't just another all-around powerhouse. Stick around because the truth might just change your mind or at least help you make a smarter purchase decision. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's unpack the Greenworks 3000 psi pressure washer from top to bottom. This unit boasts a robust 14-amp true brushless motor delivering 3000 psi at 2.0 GPM. That's 3,300 cleaning units and a maximum inlet water temp of 104 degrees F. Those specs sound fantastic for anyone who needs heavy-duty cleaning power without the gas hassle. And yes, it's PWMA certified, meaning the claims of psi and GPM are independently verified. Sounds legit, right? But here's the catch. Having power on paper doesn't always translate into flawless real-world performance. That rugged metal gun and the 25-foot Uberflex hose. They're great, but they come with some design choices that might frustrate you. If you're a homeowner who wants to blast away grime on patios, decks, driveways, cars, or even garden furniture, this product is pitched as your perfect partner. The electric design means less noise and no smelly emissions, which scores big points if your neighbors are the type to call the cops at the slightest leaf blower sound. And the 3-year limited warranty gives you peace of mind if something goes wrong early. Here's a quick joke before we dive deeper. Why did the pressure washer break up with the hose? It felt like they were just tangling too much. But seriously, setup is supposed to be a breeze with universal M22 fittings and quick connect nozzles, but the reality is a bit less rosy. Let's talk performance. The true brushless motor is the star on paper. Its heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump is touted as offering gas-level power without the gas-level maintenance. And the jet flow technology promises up to 50% more flow to reach higher areas and speed up rinse jobs. However, users report that despite these promises, the pressure output seems inconsistent during longer wash sessions. You might start strong but notice the pressure slowly fade, especially when tackling tougher stains or cleaning for more than 15 minutes at a time. This could be due to thermal regulation in the motor or pump design that protects the unit but compromises continuous heavy use. Now here's a question. If it's called the 3000 psi, why does it feel more like the 2500 psi cousin once you get going? That inconsistency is a huge downside for anyone who expects professional-grade heavy cleaning power. Moving on to design and accessories, the unit nails portability. Lightweight, compact, and easy to wheel around. A win if you've got a big yard or multiple cleaning areas. The metal spray gun feels solid compared to the usual cheap plastic versions, and the multiple tips, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap, and turbo nozzles cover all your angle needs. But the hose, while Uberflex and kink-resistant, is a bit stiff out of the box and can crimp more easily than advertised, especially if you're rough on your equipment. Also, attaching and detaching certain nozzles can be fiddly. Here's another joke. How did the pressure washer propose to the hose? With lots of twists and turns. But in all seriousness, that effort can get old when you're trying to power through fast jobs. You might be wondering about setup and ease of use. Greenworks says no tools are needed for setup, thanks to the universal quick connects. And that's mostly true. It's pretty straightforward to hook up. However, some users find the manual unclear, particularly about how to properly bleed air from the pump before first use. This can lead to sputtering water flow or the unit failing to reach full pressure quickly. If you don't know this trick, you could waste precious time troubleshooting what seems like a defect but is actually user error. Pro tip: Always prime your hose and pump before firing it up full throttle to avoid damage or poor performance. Let's get into durability and maintenance. The Greenworks 3000 SI is designed for homeowners, not contractors. That means it's built for moderate use, maybe a few hours per week max. The cast aluminum pump is heavy-duty, but over time, the seals and valves may need replacing if you don't follow proper winterizing and care instructions. Many users praise the solid motor build, but note that the brushes inside the motor, despite the true brushless claim, still need occasional replacement. And that can be tricky if you're not handy with electric motor components. So this electric washer walks a fine line, heavy enough for serious jobs but not designed for daily commercial tasks. Now let's circle back to pricing because $374.99 isn't cheap for an electric pressure washer. You're investing in mid to high tier performance but with the aforementioned caveats. Are you getting real value for this price? That depends. If you want powerful cleanup with less fuss than gas models, and you're willing to accept some maintenance and occasional drops in pressure, it could be worth it. But if you expect set it and forget it, durability the way you get with some gas washers, prepare for frustration down the line. Want a little twist? Despite the green branding, this machine won't magically fix stubborn oil stains or deeply ingrained moss on concrete. No pressure washer does, but some gas-powered models with higher SI and flow rates can perform better in those scenarios. So if you've been dreaming of instantly erasing decade-old tire marks on your driveway, this might not be your Cinderella story. It's better suited for seasonal cleaning, washing cars, rinsing decks, tidying up patio furniture, or power rinsing siding. Remember, SI is just part of the story. How consistent and how long the pressure lasts matters just as much. So where does that leave you? If you want a powerful electric pressure washer that's easy on the ears and emissions, the Greenworks 3000 SI brings good features. Strong motor specs, versatile nozzles, rugged metal gun, and decent warranty coverage. But it's not flawless. Expect some quirks in pressure consistency and hose stiffness. It's definitely geared towards homeowners who want a reliable, relatively low-maintenance cleaner for various outdoor jobs, not professionals smashing through heavy grime daily. Here's one last joke to lighten the load. Why did the pressure washer apply for a job? Because it wanted to clean up its act. Okay, maybe that one was a bit cheesy, but I hope you get the picture. This product can clean up your home exterior effectively if used right. My final takeaway. The Greenworks 3000 SI electric pressure washer isn't perfect, but it's a solid contender in the electric mid-range market. If you want a quieter, eco-friendly alternative to gas washers with proven specs and verified power, it's worth serious consideration. If you want the best price on Amazon, check the link in the description below to grab the current deal. Sometimes you can snag it for less than MSRP. Just be sure to read through user reviews and understand it works best with regular maintenance and proper handling to extend its life and preserve performance. So go ahead, give your cleaning tasks a green boost with this pressure washer. It may not be flawless, but it sure packs a punch where it counts. Thanks for watching and happy washing.